We're making slime. What's it? Sorry.
Fire when the strobe hits. Feel the heat. Fire when the strobe hits you.
What's it, Brent?
Bet you're looking for something.
Alright, you guys, time to get in the mood here. Set the candle, light it up, you know what I'm saying, get those vibes in. What's up, you guys? It's Emma and welcome back to my channel. Today, first of all, let me just explain that intro. I'm sick, that's why I'm here. I'm home from school because I'm sick. Obviously I'm not going to be doing gymnastics when I'm sick, so figured let's go make some slime. Don't worry, I've been on this trend for a while, but once again, I wasn't on YouTube when it like started to trend or whatever. So here I am. I'm a late year-round starter, trend follower, year-round. Okay, I need to stop. Anyways, I'm gonna be making peppermint swirl stuff slime. Is my food coloring? Okay. That's what I'm gonna be making. This, I guess, can be a tutorial, but you'll just like follow along. This is not gonna be a professional slime making tutorial thing. I just wanna have fun on this channel. So that's what we're doing right now. With all that being said, let's just get right on into the video. So I am, oh, whoops, there go my phone beads. Okay, we're already spilling over here. Let's just pray that doesn't make a mess in the future. Okay, well, we have some phone beads here that would like to join us, but that's not gonna happen right now. This literally happened before I started this. Phone beads are so annoying, but they're so amazing at the same time. Also, guys, sorry if I keep sniffling the whole video. I'm sick and I sound like a man. I don't know. So make sure you have your borax. Recipe calls for 1 cup of water, and I think it's half. I use half a teaspoon, but some people use like 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of borax, but I think half a teaspoon's enough. I don't know, it just depends on you. Not really, it does the same thing, so like, I don't know. Let's put everything aside except for our food coloring, water, container, mixing, spatula thing, and our glue. We don't have any certain measurements here because I don't go that way. I'm not like, when it comes to slime, I've already made it enough times to know like what to do, I guess. So I don't go by measurements anymore. I just do it, I guess. I'm gonna put in about half a cup of glue. If it looks like I have no pants on, I do, I promise. I don't know what half a cup of glue is, so like, I'm gonna assume that. That's probably more, but whatever. Okay, so now that I have about half a cup of glue, whatever amount of glue I do, I put half the amount of water. So since I'm doing half a cup of glue, I put 1/4 cup of water. So you get the point. If it was 2 cups, it'd be 1 cup of water. I guess that makes sense, hopefully, to you guys. Alright, so I have that 1/4 cup of water, mixing spatula, and we're just gonna mix it together. Oh shoot. Well, there we go. Already making a mess. Let's just like clean this up with my sleeve. Yep, there we go, it works. Okay. I'm in my living room coffee table because my dining room my dining room table is a mess from a Spanish project, so that's fun. I'm just gonna have 2 paper towels right here. I'm just like done with messes. Yeah, this is great. Okay, fun. Alright, anyways, that's there. Keep on mixing your mixture. Honestly, I might use a whisk now because this is getting very annoying having to stir slow. I think it's done mixing now. If you can see, glue is like finder screen thingy. I promise you, it's kind of like a pink. Oh, no, oh, there it goes, there it goes. Back to mixing. So, I think I like this color. If you guys are actually making this with me, which you're probably not, but if you are, tell me what color you guys dyed yours in the comments below. I am very interested. And what type you're making. Are you making the exact same one as me with like phloem and stuff, or are you putting fish beads in it? Like, you gotta get creative with your slime, so like tell me what you're doing. So now that the food coloring is in, we're gonna add our scent. I'm gonna take this peppermint extract. This one doesn't have drops, so I'm gonna put in about a teaspoon of scent. For scents, you can like order online or get it from the grocery store, like extracts. Like, you can do a lot for scents, even like lotions and stuff. So if you guys don't have extracts or scents, lotion is a good one if you have a strong lotion. Just saying, you have options. Okay, so just make sure that it like actually scents your slime. So mine, I can smell mine. Just make sure you get all the extra glue off the side so you're not missing anything, I guess. Okay, after you've added the scent, you can put your food coloring and scents away, put the lotion away, and put the glue away. Loki just like put it on the ground. Okay, now is our activating time. Make sure you guys don't do the whole cup because it'll activate too much and then it won't be stretchy or fun to play with. You're gonna add a little bit at a time. I'm sure you've heard this before. I'm gonna add about like 2 tablespoons. Just make sure that you guys don't add too much. You guys probably want to see this. Thigh time, so you can see that it's starting to, are you kidding me? Okay, starting to activate. When it makes all those strings, that means it's working, so just keep mixing. So if it looks really awkward like this, trust me, just keep mixing. You'll see when you keep mixing, it'll kind of like come apart, and then at the end it comes together. So like, obviously mine is not ready, so I need to add more activator. I think my number one tip for activating is make sure you guys mix enough before you add more, because some people just get really impatient. They're like, oh, it's not working yet. Guys, just trust me, mix enough, because sometimes when you don't mix enough, you add more and then it ends up being too much, and then it's just like a whole big mess. So, make sure you mix enough. When you know you've mixed enough, I guess, is when there are no clumps in your slime, kind of. Make sure to mix well. want to mess this wood up. Just awkwardly clean that. Yep, cleans it with the spatula. I tried to find a placemat that I used to have as like a kid, but I can't find it anymore. So we're just gonna use a plate. My left stroke just went viral. Oh my god, copyright. I'm just kidding. Anyways. Hello you guys. I don't know the last time or like where this camera stopped because it ran out of storage, but don't worry, these foam beads are just like in the slime, they're not mixed in. So we're gonna do that now. You know, this is one of the favorite parts, so I'm gonna get a view on this. So, I guess we're just gonna mix this in. Honestly, I don't know. This is kind of like the swirl in the peppermint. You're just gonna mix this in. I love mixing foam, it's so fun and like pressing down. So, let me just get an outer view again. Now that we've added the rest of our white foam beads in, time to add in these. I'm going to break these apart. Alright you guys, as you can see I've moved down here, but I want to see what this is like because I don't want to add too much, you know, I like my texture to be a certain way. We're just going to start mixing this up. Okay you guys, so I like this texture. It's still a little bit sticky, so we're going to add some activator, like literally the tiniest amount, probably, no, I'm just kidding. If you guys are worried about like the 3rd degree burn or whatever, 2nd degree burn, kind of like that person on the news or whatever, that kid, I don't know, make sure you're not allergic to anything in the borax. I know I'm not allergic to anything, so I'm good, but like, just check yourselves if you're allergic to anything. Make sure you kind of read over it and that you're not going to have any reactions, but otherwise you'll be fine. Disclaimer, like, please check yourself. Make those swirls if you know what I'm saying. I think it's funny whenever people say like, no foam comes out, but then like as they say that, literally a piece comes out and they don't notice, and it's so funny. I'm just like, oh, you good? Alright you guys, well this has been a great time, kind of like sit down, chill with you guys, talk, have a little bit fun, a little bit of crafting, sliming. This was a great time. I really like this. If you guys want me to make more slime videos, go ahead and give this a thumbs up. Comment down below what slime you made if you have made one, or if you followed along with this tutorial type thing. Also, while you're in the comments, make sure to comment future video ideas that you want me to do so I can do them for you, and it'll upload it and you watch it and it'll be a great time. While you're scrolling back up from this video, before you scroll all the way up, just stop, subscribe, turn on the bell too, because then you won't get notified when I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. I don't know, go ahead and follow all of my social medias down below in the description box. Link in bio, as people say. Thank you for watching. Again, I love you guys all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Wait. I can't do this. Ready?
I feel the heat, fire when the storm hits you.
What's it, Brent?